Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in order. Power on the modem, then the router, and watch for the online light. This shows ISB sync. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable from the router LAN into your Windows 7 PC's Ethernet port. If using USB adapter, install drivers now. Make sure you have your network name and password handy. Disable any third-party firewall briefly to avoid blocking first connection. It's safer to re-enable after setup, but this speeds troubleshooting and avoids false errors. Now configure Windows 7. Open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center, then change adapter settings. You'll see Local Area Connection. Right-click and open Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. If your ISB uses DHCP, choose Obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. If they provided a static IP, enter the IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS exactly. Click OK, close dialogues, and Windows will request an IP from the router. Check the connection icon for activity. Finish by testing a website. If pages load, you're done. If not, ping 8. 8. 8. 8 from command prompt to separate DNS versus network issues. Make sure to re-enable firewall and antivirus after confirming access. If the PC shows no link light, swap cables and try another Ethernet port or reinstall the network adapter driver via Device Manager. As a last resort, power cycle modem/router or perform a hardware reset. Key troubleshooting tip. If the modem never
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.